Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up, Guan? So today I'm here to share the celebration of Jamaica's independence with you. Yes, my beautiful country is celebrating its 58th Independence Day. We gained our independence on the 6th of August 1962. So today I'm here to share with my fellow Jamaicans, whether you're at home or you're abroad, a big happy 58th Independence Day. So yes guys, I'm here to share with you 10 facts about my beautiful country, Jamaica. So stay tuned, big up yourself. So yes guys, before we go into the video, please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's go right into the video. So yes guys, here are the 10 facts about my beautiful Jamaica. They aren't in any particular order, I'm just going to give you them. Jamaica is located in the heart of the Caribbean and in the continent of North America. It has a population of approximately 2.9 million people. Jamaica has 14 parishes, being Kingston its capital. Number 3. Jamaica is the largest English-speaking country in the Caribbean, and it is ranked the #1 tourist destination within the Caribbean. So, without any doubt, you know that Jamaica is the most beautiful country for you to come and relax and enjoy our cuisine, our resorts, enjoy our beautiful white sandy beaches. You know, come and have a good time. We are warm and welcoming people, so you won't ever have a dull moment in Jamaica. You know, so my Caribbean people, please don't come at me because you know it's simply the truth. Okay. So moving on to number 4. So number 4 is, though our mother tongue is English language, we love to speak our little patois. Yes, we love chat with patois. Yeah man, that's what we call it, our Jamaican language. It is pronounced patois, P-A-T-W-A, though it is spelled P-A-T-O-I. So yeah man, we love chat with patois. Jamaica, what's a guan? No problem. Yeah, we airy. Big up yourself, Jamaica. Big up yourself on your 58th independence. Big up yourself on your birthday. Big up to all my fellow Jamaicans globally, wherever you are. Big up. So, number 5 is our flag. It has 3 beautiful colors, being black, green, and gold. Black represents the strength and creativity of our people. Green represents the luscious green lands, and gold represents the wealth and beauty of the sunshine. So yes, whenever you want to come to Jamaica, just come and relax. You must have a good time, you know. So yes guys, we have 7 national heroes who fought for our freedom and our rights. So the 7th one is our national dish, ackee and sawfish. I love ackee and sawfish with rice and peas. I don't know about you. It can be eaten with banana, yam, a dumpling, whatever ground provision, whatever you want to eat it with. Oh my god, it is so nice. Whenever I introduce ackee and sawfish to the Chinese or to some of my friends who don't know ackee, they think that ackee is boiled egg or scrambled egg. But you know, you have to explain to them that no, this is a fruit, it's from a tree, it's not from the chicken or the hen, you know. So when I introduce it to my Chinese colleagues, they love it so much. Did you know that Jamaica was the first tropical country to enter the Winter Olympic bobsled game? In 1980, the team was placed 34th in the league competition. Wow, we are that great. Them say we liquor but with talawa. It's the same meaning like small axe cuts big tree. In 2000, we won a gold medal at the World Push Championships in Monaco. It was so fun. It was almost like a joke, you know, that we're from the tropics and we entered and a Winter Olympic game. Wow, we are that amazing. We even made a Disney film called Cool Runnings from that game. You need to go and see it. It is marvelous. It is so fun. You need to watch it, guys. Remember, it's called Cool runnings, guys. You won't regret. We have the fastest 100-meter track and field sprinters in the entire world. Big up yourself, Usain Lightning Bolt and the Shellian Pocket Rocket Fraser. Big up yourself. And to all the other track and field team who has put Jamaica on the sports pedestal, big up on yourself. We love you, we appreciate you, we adore you, so big up on you. So down to number 10. We are easily identified by, just to mention, Bob Marley, reggae, Usain Bolt, the fastest running man, rice and peas, Dunn's River Falls. Guy, you need to check Dunn's River Falls out. You need to go and check it out. Oh my God, it is breathtaking. Not to mention Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee. Me say on the need for go drink some. The pureness and the richness of Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee. Oh my God, no other coffee beats that. Y'all need to go and check that out. Get some. Guys, just waking up to the aroma, to the scent of Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee. Oh my God, your day cannot go wrong. Your day cannot go wrong after the scent of that, the aroma, the richness. Not to mention just to have a cup. Oh my God, you need to check it out. You need to check it out. Also, our resorts, beautiful, beautiful resorts. Beautiful, beautiful white sandy beaches, crystal clear water. On the need for go to Jamaica right now. It's summer. The summer is hot. So get on the friends and run go to Jamaica, Go enjoy on skin. No, mention the jerk chicken and the jerk pork. You ever have it? You ever eat? Have you ever eaten jerk chicken or jerk pork? Have you ever? You need to try. Try it, man. Try. If you live near me, come let me do something for you. I can cook up a thing. I can do something for you. So if you haven't tried it, you need to try that. You're missing out on goodness, good stuff. So yes, guys, we have come to the end of my 10 facts about Jamaica. I hope you really, really learned something today and really like this video. And if you have found this video to be interesting and educated and fun, please remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, and to turn on that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my upcoming. Before I leave, I would like to say thank you to the Prime Minister and the government of our country and to all the people who have shaped it and put it where it is today. Without you, we couldn't have reached this far. So we really love and appreciate the hard work that you have put out and have been doing over the years. Have a very safe 58th. Happy Independence Day. Let's live good and unite and love each other. Work good, stay safe, and bless up yourself. Until next time. See you in my next video. Toodles. Bye bye. Mwah.